Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, so let me take this opportunity to welcome you to this lesson. So today, we want to learn about time. About what?
Time.
Can you say time?
Time.
Time. So time is the duration of doing something. Now, let us look at addition of time. Addition of
Time.
So time, we want to add, we have minutes and seconds. Minutes and what?
Seconds.
Minutes and seconds. So time, we have addition of time. So here, we are going to look at the first example, and then I will call one of you. You will come and work out the second example. So we are going to look at example 1. That is addition of time. Example 1. Example 1. So we want to look at here. We have the units. We have the. So when we talk of units, here we are talking of minutes and seconds. Minutes and seconds. So we have minutes. We have minutes, and then we have seconds. We have minutes, and then we have seconds. So 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. So seconds should not exceed 60. Should not exceed 60. Minutes should not. Seconds should not exceed 60. Seconds should not exceed 60 because 60 seconds is the same as 1 minute. 60 seconds is the same as what? 1 minute. So you have been given 12 minutes, and then you have 23 seconds. You are supposed to add. 17 minutes and 46 seconds. You are supposed to add. So we have minutes, and then we have seconds. We have minutes, and on this side we have. What do we have here? Minutes. And on this other side? Seconds. That's good. So seconds, when you are adding seconds, it should not exceed 60. It should not exceed what? 60. That's good. So here we are going to add the way we normally add. We are going to add normally. That is 3 plus 6. You raise up your hand. 3 plus 6. Yes, Abdullah. 9. Good. So we write here 9. You write what? 9. We write 9. And then you count the second digit. That is 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Yes, Balkis. We have 6. So here, 60, here when you add 6, this one will be what? 69. And we say seconds should not exceed 60. So what are we going to do here? We are going to subtract 60. We are going to subtract 60 seconds here. We are going to subtract 60. So when you subtract 60 seconds here, you are going to remain with 9. Good. So we are going to remain with 9. And then 60 seconds is the same as?
1 minute.
60 seconds is the same as what?
1 minute.
So here on the side of minutes, we are going to carry 1. Good. So when you carry, you just write here 1. You write 1. So 1 plus 2. So this is the side of minutes. This is the side of what? Minutes. Side of minutes. So 1 plus 2. You raise up your hand. 1 plus 2. Yes. 3. You are going to have 3. And then 3 plus 7. 3 minutes you add 7 minutes. You are going to get what? You are going to get. Yes. Najma. We are going to get 10. So then you write what? 0. And then you carry 1. So 1 plus 1. 2. You raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. You are going to raise up your hand. Yes. Nawal. You are going to get 2. And then 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. You are going to get what? Yes. Amen. 3. You are going to write here 3. So your answer, you are going to get 30 minutes and 9 seconds. 30 minutes and 9 seconds. So what I have just said, here we have the units. We have the units. Units, we have minutes and seconds. Minutes and what? Seconds. Here, seconds, you say seconds when you are adding seconds, it should not exceed what? It should not exceed 60. That's good. It should not exceed 60. So when you have when you added these seconds, we found out that it is 69. And then from there you are supposed to subtract. You subtract 60, because 60 seconds is the same as
1 minute.
1 minute. Is the same as 1 minute. So 1 minute you take it to the side of minutes, and then you we have that 1 minute. You add 2 plus 1 that 1 minute that we carried from sides of seconds. We are going to get 3, and then 3 plus 7, you are going to get 10. Then you write 0, you carry 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1, you are going to get 3. So here we have 30 minutes and 9 seconds and 9 minutes. So this is the first example. This is the first example. Now let us have one of you to come and work out. Who is going to work out the second example? Who is going to work out the second example here? So we are going to have the second example here. That is example 2. Example 2. So we have the units. That is minutes, and we have minutes, and then we have seconds. Minutes and seconds. So you have been given 43 minutes and 23. We have 27 seconds. We are going to add 20. We are going to add 12 minutes and 14 seconds. You are supposed to add. You are supposed to add. So who is going to come and work out this one for us? Yes? Come and work out this one for us. So let us look as he's working out that part there. So is he correct? Yes. Is he correct? Yes. So let us give him a sharpshooter. Let us give him one sharpshooter. Let us prepare. Sharpshooter. Let us give him one clap. That is sharpshooter. Let us go. Sharpshooter. That's good. So he has just worked out. That is 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 7 plus 4 is what? 11. 11 you add, you write? 11 you write what? 1. And then you carry? 1. So you write 1 here, you carry 1. And then you add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 1? 4. That is why he has written here 4. And then you count the side of? The side of what? Minutes. Minutes. You count the side of minutes. We are done with the side of seconds. We count the side of minutes. And then you come and add, that is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. He has written here 5, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. So let us have one call to come and work out the third example here. Who is going to come and work out this one here? We have minutes, and then we have seconds. We have minutes and seconds. So we have 19 minutes, and then we have 14 seconds. You have been asked to add 21 minutes, and then you have 16 seconds. So he's going to work out this example for us. I call this time round. So we have this example here. We have just worked out the first example here. We have the second example, and then we have this third example here. So can you raise up your hand? Who is going to work out this one? Who is going to work out for us this one? Come on, work out. Nachma. So let us see what she is doing. So is she correct? Yes. Is she correct? Yes. Is she correct? Yes. So let us give him one sharpshooter. Aya, let us prepare. Aya, let us go. Aya, so that is good. Nashima, you have just to work out. That is 4 plus 6 is what?
10.
4 plus 6 is 10. Then you write what?
0.
And then you carry 1. 4 plus 6 is 10. You write 0, you carry 1. And then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. That's why she has written here 3. And then you come to the side of? You come to the side of what? Minutes. You come to the side of minutes. Here we have 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 you write what? 0 you carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. That is what she has written here. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be 40 minutes and 30 seconds. So we have just looked at how to add addition of time, that is minutes and seconds. Minutes and we say 1 minute is the same as? 1 minute is the same as what? 1 minute is the same as what? That is good. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So when you are adding here, when you are adding seconds here, it should not exceed 60. After exceeding 60, you will have to subtract, because 60 seconds is the same as 1 minute. So here we have just looked at the first example here. That is 3 plus 6, that is 9. 2 plus 4 is what? 2 plus 4 is 6. So it will be 69. And then when you subtract 60 here, you will get 9. You will remain with 9 seconds. And then that 6 seconds is the same as what?
1 minute.
6 seconds is the same as? And then you carry that 1 minute to the side of minutes. The side of minutes. The side of minutes. And then here we will have 2 plus 1 will be 2. Will be 3. And then plus 7 will be 10. You write here 0. You carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we'll have plus 1 will be 3. That's why we have just written here 3 30. That is, after adding all this, we get 30 minutes and 9. 30 minutes and